Out here over by my barn, I've got this old structure here, a little tin building. I'm not quite sure what it is. I think it's probably an old outhouse. I have some old photos of the structure when it was still standing. I don't think it was a pump house or anything because there's no well or anything here. So I'm pretty sure this was just an old outhouse that got filled in over the years. But I want to take this down and recycle it. So I parked the tractor over here. What my plan is I'm going to go around the barn and come over on this side, see if I can get all this tin, maybe get that tin piece off of that panel there, and get this loaded up on the tractor. Got an audience this morning. Cows are going to bellow in the background. Hopefully they don't make too much noise. Tore down and piled up on the forks of the tractor there. I didn't see any signs that it was an outhouse. I expected to see like a hole or something, but maybe it got filled in with dirt. Here's where that shed or outhouse was. There's a hole here. That looks more like an animal hole. I don't know, I think this may have just been a little shed or like a little tack room or something. But then there was a tack room on the edge of the barn there. So I'm not sure what this little building was for, but it's no longer here. Alright, I got a pile of scrap metal there in the dump trailer. That's from when I was doing all the fence work recently in that other video. Alright, here's my scrap metal pile. I'm going to try to throw some of this on the trailer. My trailer's already getting pretty full, so I'm not going to be able to get much of this on there, but at least want to get these pallet forks. I'm going to get some of this out of here. The big hay rings I'll probably put off to the side because I can rebuild old hay rings using those. But let's get this cleaned up a little bit better. Got this one pipe that's all rusted out all throughout it. So I'm going to take it with me on the scrap trailer, but it's too long to dump. It's about 16 foot long, so if I try to dump, it's going to get hung up. So I'm going to cut it in half. Look at all that corrosion inside that pipe. Alright, I got the load all connected up, tarped up, and bungee strapped down. Gonna take this to the metal recycling place today. What do y'all think that this is gonna weigh? I figure maybe a ton, maybe less. There's a lot of that tin, that stuff, that thin stuff there, and below that there's a bunch of wire, like barbed wire and stuff. And then of course I've got a bunch of mixed metal and stuff like that mixed in there, but there's some pretty big gaps down in there. So I think I'll be lucky to come in at a ton. You tell me what you think the total amount might be. This is a 16-foot trailer, and it's a little bit over the top there. Alright, I just got back from the scrap metal place. I know it's kind of hard to see. So I weighed in there at 14,580 pounds. I weighed out after I dumped at 12,420 for a total of 2,160 pounds, which is just a little bit over a ton, and I got $151.20. So pretty happy with that. I would have taken whatever they gave me. I wasn't going for the money. I was just going to get the metal cleaned up off the place. So I'm glad that's done and got a little money in my pocket.